Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you.
Hi everyone, this is Princessfaith. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't already know, I am a Philly hairstylist. I specialize in protective styles for natural hair. My main focus in this video today is to show you how to moisturize your roots while you have a protective hairstyle such as braids or faux locks. Although I'm going to be focusing, I'm going to show you the low porosity hair way because I'm low porosity. Anyways, I'm also going to show you guys, I'm not showing nobody nothing. Cut. I'm also going to be talking about what to do if you have high porosity hair and you have a protective style like me. Although I'm not really going to show you the high porosity way, I am going to do a voiceover. And here's how I'm going to do it. I need a touch-up right now, and I'm going to do my touch-up on camera. Touching up is basically like, rewrapping my roots because they grew out already. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to share some tips, some products to look out for if you are a high porosity babe. But as I'm moisturizing my hair, y'all who are low porosity, you're already going to see what I'm using. And if that doesn't work for you, comment what works for you. What's your favorite oils? What's your favorite leave-ins? Things like that. I think that's all I got to say. Yeah, Please, wait. Do you have your notification bell on? Please have it on. And have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe. I'm going to be posting new content every Sunday. Yep, that's my goal for now. And without further ado, let's go. So I have let my hair down. It's pretty much still clean. I mean, the last time I washed it was in my last video, and that was on a Saturday. Right now it's a Friday. I think the amount of time that you wash your hair when you have a protective style is going to be a little bit different from your regular wash routine when you actually have your natural hair out. The reason why is because there are a lot of factors that are different. Like when you have your natural hair out, you are moving around a lot. Your hair is collecting dust. Your hair is also like releasing the moisture that you have locked in on your wash day. So a couple of days later, your hair loses all that moisture, as opposed to when you have your hair in a protective style where your hair is underneath. You're focusing more on your roots and how can you keep it hydrated, how can you keep your scalp clean. So I believe, at least in my experience, my scalp gets less dirty, or I have to worry less about it when I have a protective style. As long as I'm doing my hydration on my scalp, I should be cool because I'm still keeping up. But it varies for everyone. Just pay attention to your roots, pay attention to your scalp. Notice what's working and what's not working. What works for me may not work for you. Alright, well, let's get to it. The first step as someone with low porosity or thick 4C hair is to spray your roots with warm water so that your cuticles may be lifted. This is because prior to the hydration process and the moisture process, the cuticles are laid flat. As simple as it looks, it actually prepares your roots to receive hydration and lock in moisture. As you might have seen in my last video, I use my root comb applicator for almost all my liquid applications to the root of my hair. Here I measured about 20 ml of equal parts grapeseed oil and the Main Choice leave-in conditioner. My products are kind of running out, so slowly but surely I'm going to be transitioning into trying out different oils and leave-in conditioners, including shampoo and conditioners. I'm kind of a one and done type person, so I have a habit of not being easy or yielding to trying anything new. But what's a YouTuber without reviewing different products? But yeah, I just love my root comb applicator bottle because it's something that lasts for a while. I don't have to worry about it losing its value. It's just a one and done purchase. and it lasts for so many years. It's non-toxic, and that was one reason why I wanted to invest in this product. If you are interested in making a purchase, the link is below. Right now we have $6 for shipping. Go ahead and try this bottle out. Let me know what you think. But my whole thing about applying products into your root or your scalp is that afterwards, just use the tips of your finger to get the blood flowing. It's very important. Before you guys just have it in your head that, oh, I'm just going to put the stuff in a bottle and apply it on my scalp, that's not how it works, right? You saw how I massaged the product into my scalp. Another thing that you're going to have to do is at least rub the product in. So make sure you're rubbing the product in as you would if you had your natural hair out. This is just like, your hydration process. Midweek hydration to lock in moisture. You want to make sure you're working in the product. You don't just leave it in your hair like that. You're also rubbing it in as you apply it. And this will also avoid unnecessary product from just like getting stuck to your braids that's underneath the lock. So make sure you're rubbing the products in like so. Make sure you're using your fingertips. And my next step is I'm going to be using my wild growth oil because y'all see how short my hair was like 2 videos ago. I am trying to grow my hair, okay? We're going to be going right into me touching up my locks. I like to call it a lock touch-up. I use a certain method, hairstylist secrets. I might share this one day somewhere down the line, but, my roots are growing out, and I'm just going to touch up my locks. But like I promised, while I'm recording this process, I'm going to do my voiceover telling you how to moisturize your scalp while you have braids or locks if you are someone with high porosity hair. So, let's get to it. High porosity hair is different in that the cuticles are lifted. This means that this kind of hair takes in and releases moisture quickly. Thick-based moisturizers typically work when it comes to giving high porosity hair what it needs in order for moisture to be sealed in without escaping quickly. The way you can choose to bring back hydration and seal in moisture all depends on how thick or thin your high porosity hair is. Here in this video, I will be recommending the Loc method. Grab a spray bottle and put equal parts water and 100% organic aloe vera juice. You always want to start moisturizing with damp hair. So, spray your roots with the mixture and grab a leave-in conditioner such as KINKY Curly Not Today. I have listened to many high porosity hair women say that this conditioner is great and that it provides a good slip for the hair. Next, you want to use heavy oils such as jojoba, castor, olive oil, or coconut oils. You can get away with mixing 20 ml of any of the oils you pick with 20 ml of your cream-based moisturizers into the root comb applicator bottle. If you don't already have one, make sure you invest in one because, girl, this bottle lasts forever and it helps you not waste product and it provides precise application of product into your hair. Anyways, let's pretend you do have the bottle. What you would do after mixing the total of 40 ml of the products, you would then deposit both mixtures into your roots and then use the tips of your fingers to work in the products. And that's really it. If you have drier high porosity hair, you always have the option to respray your roots with the water and aloe vera mixture. So, aloe vera has a larger molecule than water. What this does is it slows down the speed of high porosity hair moisture evaporation. So after your LOC method, you can always respray these things so that you're assured that moisture is not going to escape as fast as it would. I think you should be fine with the LOC method I mentioned, but some people have higher porosity hair than others, and you can always take that extra step. And yeah, that's it. Oh, and for those of you that might be curious on what kind of locks that I do have, again, these are what I call premium locks. They are a mixture of synthetic and 100% human hair. I'd like to put the human hair mostly towards the root part of my hair so that when I'm washing or moisturizing, more moisture is able to set in, because if you have human hair, it's just like the moisture is able to just penetrate through the human hair onto your hair that's wrapped underneath. But yeah, check out my Instagram page at Stylesbyprin if you would like to book, or if you would just like to look at style ideas. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you out. And put your notification bell on. If you haven't, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Something feels out of place, but you have no town.